How's it going? Ryan here, and I'm back for another quick video. If you've watched my other video for setting up negative springs, I briefly mentioned there how I do not like the tires to rub on the springs because it creates problems. One solution is to replace the factory spring with a smaller spring on the piston rod. And the other solution is this. You can turn a stock TRX4M shocks or any aftermarket shock absorber into something better by simply replacing the spring and installing a sleeve. Here's how. You'll need a spring that's around half the height of the factory spring. This is 20 mm tall with an outer diameter of 10 mm and a wire thickness of 0.4 mm. It's on the soft end, so if you'll use it for a heavy setup, you can go stiffer with a 0.5 or 0.6 wire thickness. To install, just simply remove the spring plate, the spring, and the bottom end of the spring rod. Install one SEX24 O-ring. This is optional, but this will prevent the spring plate from falling off like it usually does. Install two O-rings if you have thrust issues. Insert the spring, put back the rod end, and then the spring plate. Slide the O-ring down to hold the spring plate in place. Then turn the spring collar until the bottom of the tube. For the sleeve, you'll need an aluminum tubing with an outer diameter of 10 mm and an inner diameter of 8.3 to 8.4 mm to ensure that it can spin freely. Cut the aluminum tube to 15 mm lengths and then smoothen the edges. To install, just remove the cap, slide it in, then return the cap. For stock TRX4M shocks, insert the sleeve from the bottom, then the spring collar, the spring, and the spring plate. Don't forget to slide down the O-ring. If you want your shocks to have negative springs inside, be sure to check out my video tutorial in the link displayed on the screen. That's it for this quick video. I hope this helps. Please share your thoughts about this in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and keep rocking.